Bende.
Na say near we are original we are your friends original communication officer.
Well, Jerome, do you corporate affairs for
Cocoa Board yeah.
On your boss.
Oh okay.
Na be the chance you headed up. Also NC
okay.
Nti adwuma na ba beto so. Yes.
What is saying?
In fact, my mentia wa tifo. To say we kan in fact, oba kuribu na wan to amfa Akoma de na to say de wa me ya. And until Western of Ayeboko. O share a reset agenda is said John Dominic Muhammad Aroma and MAC ko na obobo ministers obo mode ema Yura Kobina Minta Kando as health minister. Na Yura Sam say hinso ebeye deputy minister na de na chese ene ma de da na kwa. Anti ye region mu so na me adom ye regional chairman Yura Bigedu ono so esan ye council of state member na chese neema ekoyi. So far in the history of NDC no this is the first time yenya appointment over by 2030 kra.
From Western North.
Oh yes. Ewa bemu. Have you one CEOs, wom deputies, wom no near there, MDs near there. And Western of Yeboko. On say you two about NDC 8 out of 9. Western of 9 constituencies. Now out of 9 in Akoma 8. And a Jaya nom so bako. And oh yanum yabako.
Oh Western North.
Oh Western North. So am I. Before that no mukuta kontomra. Esen kuta yo so na bibi any 3.
Now omo deputy environment minister.
Nti ye bo modern ejini nyina ye den ifiro mo nsem.
Na mo bo ho modern nsem betime kura mu de.
Oh sure.
Because very important.
Very important.
Now no Samia Wuku say city bia no 2028 don be call say de wo mo call jata you know amana no.
You.
Omo so mo be bana pabne so.
Ye twen omo.
Ti mo ye adwuma de.
Ye adwuma pa.
Western North.
See Ghana for now say you can't take them for granted anymore.
Okay.
And Ghanaians voters now are very discerning. And until o catch anybody say ye be kwa Akoma. And that's what did could be before Mrene Beso. And Samia Wuku the okay there no one can say. So much now and Ghana for to tiamo. And this my homework ye as of 2028 or more bar. Sir John, ye train. But I can tell you for a fact to say you were regional minister, you were Petty Robert Brintum. Or regional minister for the region. In fact, or boy Jume pa I think say or had to tune the Western of Ayeboko.
And Maslow, here Maslow, Mujuma Mudio.
You mean I see
Maslow here and some home.
In some be
can you see her? It's me body so then Ruho.
And now can you say
Sunday I said in Temakulum some by did be am office no. And you were passes Sicano Jumadi at the Mamma Samu Fanny, Moody did ye. Yes,
Minia, I'm say Oba Maslow said the wow yeah said the Maslow city you know and said that any good standing. Na we share the genesis of Maslow Irakufo and a bomb more than the Maslow then buy. Na the bote nyina ne so mo ye buja no. Nka at least ye more than I emphasize so do the more monka krankaka. Nti oba e bomb more than loans. Na loans no ye wo individual and ye wo ye group loans. Group no nipa be 15 to 25 omo come ho bom recognized group ebi omo ton tools ebi omo ton ebi anyado anase bo fruit or adwuma bia de sika be bom ensem dada bia no eno ye group no na bom de na ya support omo oba aye individual so in fact mo amo pay aye 200,000 300,000 de da be member Maslow me na say okọ aye edwom na okoma obi and the minute me ma 1,000 cities describe me ni say obedru fi no na that's what so I say very good but ukodwuma obehu say maame bi o tonkyene say o ma the 1,000 na nkyene ni nyina o kan bo ma 1,000 koraa na I'm not sure say be bedru enti na nka Maslow na target no but obehwe no ye ba ya hwehwe nkrata mu no be nse kwabara ne ya ma na be 200,000 o hwehwe ba bi o koraa wu no application crowd de be je sa loan no koraa mpo no yanse anye den yanse nti amma dwumadi e o Maslow no am say nka no kra e din yi but no nti da Ghana fo nso ato aba mai no nti say any excuse nti de e nyina say yes we don't have any excuse yes yeah Ghana fo who the problems we came to inherit but ye de ama we no what are you doing? You have to solve it. This one solving bia obey excuse I don't think you buy and any excuse. Mrebia me opportunity bia I will radio TV. That is what I tell my minu ya no NDC for say sisi an ye ni excuse bi ase ye be fail so what I say eno nti say wo sika na wo pe kakraka ti say bia 300,000 400,000 me mama sloka so e o call traditional banks na me bom modern ayeden aboa because ye de no sabi omo ni bi nom na omo a sabi omo ye bodwa no omo na ye bom modern ayeden aboa omo emphasis kasem ni nkogu no yesan emma ye tricycles Fred Abuboya. Yes.
The motor Abuboya the bank.
Oh yes. Me no kasa work and pay.
Oh okay.
Ya sha ase ye ne Abuboya fam na nkasa.
Oh okay.
Sani pa no free Western North. And a Maslock and no a partner me no kasa ye enroll tricycles. Na utua 40% of the amount. High kwan huntinya let's say this ka betu bia. Utua 40% of the amount near the amount. Na o de year juma 6 months na wetu awie na ye de hon krata na ade nyina de
6 months
6 months na wetu awie one thing about Maslock no Maslock ye ma obi a abro so a 1 year abro so a 1 year this e bia cars no na ya ye more longer period nti sa obeji ska and obeji tricycle obeji hair dryer and obeji sewing machine na within 6 months the way ntimi antua na che say hard because onim interest o ho just 1%. A car no and range from 3.6 to 6%.
Oh, okay.
Sika bia ye de ma bia na akosura 1%. And ye de amount. Nti say ade the 1% pe and they ato ho there. And then I was say 6 months time you should be able to
this is mobile in name amodi abani bi.
Yeah, for now the yasha say yes.
Was is Abuboya na Pragia.
And but Abuboya for now. Enche Pragia no ne dada yi be but for now there Abuboya.
Okay, na mka say Pragia o. Me na
tricycle. Yes, confused there because you know say tricycle because yeah, but winning Pragia we yeah Abuboya.
The ono ya adwuma wo ha omode ye.
Oh yes, koko mo konfuom no ne mo twe mo goose no ne ade nti. In fact, ye very good here mo money abrene dey am say kan they are making very good use of it. So far now that's all we are doing. Enche bia you see so be ba pro ye mama bigger elo mensa. Enche bia obeba pro na on the market women and sa target groups na ye pese so masen no ono mo ba be din komo na ya ma sensitization no akomo because they beto ye no ukofa bi na obisa nipa ne say wo de car wo se be de me neka wo adan
wono no abeji sika no wo de kwa
wo neka wo nim the reason say ye koto aba ana mo cheche 1000 bi ye den e maaye ntime de na so mo ka say loan nka metu awie ampampa so wo hwe obi now share the state channel the status in the community and now cause 1,000 not just say exactly the yanom ye ni bia ye ka no nti obi o awtimi frɛ no 1,000 de sanka metu awie nti wadaro mama me time na me metua and ebinum they are doing their best to pay nti ye time ye mama bigger o say that be yenye ne sa nti we obehia market women na sa target group no ye be mo ya aware say ye bosia because whatever comes from Maslock bia na de say John ye bosia e na ye de ma o de tie bia do betua Maslock nya venue ti say de ye beto ye na mo beji cars hweta ma wuntumi mo ne ade enya ade say ye beto aso aye ne sa
I see for menua Isaiah Kwatin na ye ne di nkomo no we no nsrahwe ja oba obakuma so say de bi ansa na mekọ pa no memfa ha nani ese ne mama kuremu
one of these days I'm a bano
yes
yes
I mean yes. But before say be we ho no wo na wo free ho ba yeah na yen area ho in fact
on time na onim ho kra me do be ba ho
yes sure me do be ba ho no development ni ade ba me say ho no omo me na ye den asin farming no mo ye no more cocoa no ye more and say na mo manage sa reduction say na mo manage origin
yes cocoa issue no anyam say en kind of cray before say NPP be ba no na the whole Ghana Western of and another leading producer of cocoa but unfortunately say am no ka say ye na to so fifth but about 90% of young Crawford na wanna do bia eye cocoa ejuma. In fact, reduction na de nyam se enka no kre. Enya de so bia or ye NDC ni or ye cocoa farmer no bill free Western of bia e taking it likely. But we share explanation in the situation at large na. We ye ho hwe anye de enye nti abombo de sensitize farmers no. In fact, on za ban atua sika ne bi. Ebi so emma. Wonim de ama ye ho nsem paase akoye bibi no. On za ye wura Jerome the me can
cocoa board.
Yes, cocoa board. I no free.
Yeah.
And also na kasama a friend is a cocoa board. And my situation a dicey. But I can tell you say he's doing his best.
Okay.
And you know wow. The also manage PBC. On the 8 years I don't be good PBC. The also manage PBC or AMD. So I joined the man my born so free if western of.
No, say also omono because say hono cocoa no ye money. Also enu kwaso mgu cocoa kwafo ni maso.
Crack.
E ba sa so de ne ade be ha ompa o. Say me ade share pa hye ba bi say na e kona be say o kan no.
Entino nyam say enka no kra kwafo na fano easy but I think so with education and sensitization.
Akwan at saying akwan ho nsem te say.
Akwan in fact a big push, you know. So lucky, you know. I think say nya be 5 ewo your regime. Now Akoma bit is a contemporary 2 enchia a quite in fact a quite pro ye pa and we are very fortunate say a regional chairman or a contractor or no and through the bid and ultimately in your contract now or yes quite until you can imagine say regional chairman or say a council of state member and you want a friend is saying
because no say na mo kan ayidi
chama want to be the
you want small mama dey be am chairman nya adwuma
and that's what I'm saying say
qualifies wo ya won nya adwuma no
oh yeah wa sha se na say they will see adwuma no so dey efe nti na me kan kusi say o regional chairman na say o big push e wo no ankasa na region mu na say e bia wanya say ne na ye yara anamebwa but I can tell you say you are big edu o share any cars and nema all year I can tell you say 2 years pepe and wa share about to say exactly 2 years no or better inside every home baby me free pie bia west adwofo to say kwajokum a honso and I member of parliament here Mustafa Madutan Kunsu free a honso is part of the big push I mean okay say contractors in Sweden aba cement waba and also or what sa a friend say kwan so oko assign to dwabo so nso a you akwabra minta candle a health minister a kwan so pro me no can say contractors say we kwan so amoyeden
so these are major routes
oh yeah major routes now ya kwan there about 60 to 70% so there enye kra nti NDC was somebody po
but I can tell you say
oh yeah
mo fan you trust mo na
I can tell you say MMDC is no they are doing their best obi e bon homodin nti ada e be ba purely for politics
yes you do
I think say yeah there a lot
definitely
western off so be
definitely
but for now
yes
niema de na kwema bibia e koso
I me da se pa me da se say oba ye so na ja so be fafi
oh sure
na nyame adoma oba biwa na yenya information in term na ya hwene yenya enough time because National Service Authority
yes
I regional manager so no
Fen all right boss
so say so compared organizer
sir I was say NDC na ya kono wo ya Santa Region anti ya best say ento emfa mayura Fen say be obetimi adi organizer no na wedding yi Mr. John say we there but modern ebeto efa ha na one of these days no ebo modern eba nti na menchia yura aye Abbas Nuruddin in fact yenene di nkomo na ekowie yenu Akoma aye Hussein so ama ene nya akwan ewo ha nti ebo mpa say the next time be bia no be purely political nti ebo mabase yura makohene nzo I think say Akoma say asesa baby obi ana yencha na
no ene anwa for na ko can be so
oh yes me ban so na me na mo I was there pa I was a man na ye hu visual art for so mfa so
oh yeah definitely kwara no say no me say akwara ba ko yeso afa na nkonya frifie kwatan say ono so o satina visual no
sure
we start drawing no na dia no emu ye ayede
yes na ma move your friend say abusuafo o ma faka o mo ba hwe o mo ba artwork e o
come say
see yeah
I don't that's it
you better not say men's with us and western of this say for echiao na me adoma o come back
me pa cha me that's it so that is that ma yem fast na ni bi ma signal